Hi guys, Mr. Mackenzie, Back Garden Skills. We're looking today at rolling. You need to find a ball of some description. Any type of ball will do. You need to have some targets. We're using some water bottles, or you might actually have some Skittles at home. You could use them. We need a distance meter so that you know how far away to roll the ball. And now the game. So you select the ball you want. Opposite hand to foot forward, swinging our arms, knees nicely bent, fingers pointing down, ball in the palm. We're aiming, so accuracy, we're looking at what we do. Swing arms, yeah. If you want to increase the speed, you can take a step forward, nice and low. We want it to be rolling along the floor, not throwing it. Aim at your target. You might want to have 2 or 3 goes each, see how many you can knock down, so you can take them to one side. Have another go, fingers pointed down, rolling it. Another 2. I've got a split here, that's going to be tricky. And another. So I got 5. You can carry that as a score. That's one way of doing it. Another version of the game is, depending on your age and ability, select your distance, select the ball, so you might want to choose a different type of ball. Rolling the same, so opposite foot forward to hand. Nice swing on your hand, releasing it as we come past our pocket. Aim and accuracy. This time, however many I knock over of the target, I then get my partner to do that many exercises. We'll see how we go. Okay. Aim and accuracy. None! So she gets away with it. It's her turn. Take it in turns. Get 3 goes each. None! That doesn't count when it hits off the back wall. And it must be rolling. Okay, this time. 2. So I get to choose, so I want my partner here to do 2 star jumps. Brilliant. It's her turn now. You can vary the exercise you want them to do, so think of something you want. Oh, 1. What would you like me to do?
1 burpee.
1 burpee. Why don't you have a go at home? Get mum, dad, or any of your family involved, or maybe just do it by yourself. Correct a routine. You could do 10, knock it over, choose 10 different exercises for you to do at home. Good luck.